Are you ready to elevate your image editing game? Meet NanoBanana. Google's innovative AI, Gemini 2.5 Flash Image is here. Launched in August 2025, it revolutionizes how we create images. This tool gives ultra-realistic, prompt-based edits right at your fingertips. Powered by DeepMind, it's now available on Gemini, Google AI Studio, and Vertex AI. What makes NanoBanana special? First, its consistency in edits is impressive. Change hairstyles, swap outfits, or age your subjects. The result looks just like them. Second, it's incredibly intuitive to use. Just type a request in plain English. For example, make me look like an astronaut on the moon. NanoBanana delivers seamlessly. Then came the viral figurine trend. Users turned selfies into fun 3D figures. This unique styling exploded on social media, bringing 10 million new users. NanoBanana surpassed 200 million edits as a result. Impressive, right? Comparing Gemini to ChatGPT shows clear advantages. NanoBanana excels in realism and speed. Reviewers noted it can generate images up to 6 times faster. For creators and developers, access NanoBanana through API, Google AI Studio, or Vertex AI. Pricing starts at just $0.039 per image, perfect for any budget. Bring your creative ideas to life with NanoBanana. It's your new Photoshop-like companion. Ready to try out the wildest AI creativity of 2025? Go bananas with NanoBanana today!